was just at a crime scene basically. That is unreal. You have to try this recipe. Gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Look at how lovely it looks. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Hey guys, it's LilyBakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life as a baker, as I've got a lot to do today in preparation for a big day that I have tomorrow. I'm filming for Kenwood tomorrow, so I need to prep everything today and do like a here's what I made earlier sort of thing. I don't really know if that makes sense to any of you, but that is what I need to do today. So I need to make a whole cheesecake today, and I'm also making Sophia's cake today, and I really have the urge to make some cookies. So if I get everything done today, then I might make the cookies, but you'll have to wait and see. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I get up to today, because it is going to be a fun day full of baking. But before we get started with this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. I need to go shopping and get some bits for the cheesecake, but the cake's about to come out in a minute. So we get that out and then decide from there what I do next. The cakes are out of the oven. This is what they look like. They are baked perfectly. And I'm going to let them cool. So whilst I'm doing that, I think I'm going to make the cookies. I've got 125 grams of butter in here. And now I'm going to add 100 grams of light brown sugar, 75 grams of caster sugar. I'm going to add in the egg. I've just beat the sugars and the butter. I'm going to add in the vanilla, just using the last of this up, and then the red food colouring. I'm just going to add this much for now, and then if I need more after, then I'll add more. Now I'm adding 265 grams of plain flour. I've already added some in, so I just need to add the rest, and then 15 grams of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then mix it all up. It's all mixed together. It doesn't look very nice now, but it is. And then I've got lots of chocolate here, 350 grams, which I'm going to chop up and add to my mix. I'm going to put this all into there and mix it up. I'm going to weigh out 100 grams because I think that's the perfect amount of cookie. Just roll it into a bowl. Then what I'm going to do is put them into the freezer, have some lunch, go shopping, then come back and bake them. But this is what they will look like. I'm going to put them in the freezer now, then have some lunch. Lunch for today, some tuna pasta. I've eaten my food and now I'm very, very full. I'm going to leave in a minute to go shopping. I'm about to leave to go shopping, so I will see you when I'm there. It only takes like 5 minutes to get there. Now I'm going to make sure I locked it. I'm going shopping. My hair. No! I don't even have another hairband. Oh my god, that is not funny. That's so embarrassing. I'm going to have to go and get one. Picked up the first purchase of the day. Oh my god, the shop that I want to go in is literally right opposite. So I'm going to go in there and look for some tins. The one they have is these ones, but they're not wide enough here, I don't think. That was a no, but he was really nice. And he said to go to Argos, so I'm going to go to Argos and have a look in there. I'm in Argos, this is what I've got so far. I've picked them up just in case, but I'll see what's on here. I don't find any, so I'm going to stick with the ones I got here, and then I'm done now really. I think I've got everything. Mum rang me and said that I need to pick up the flowers for Sophia's cake, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm not even joking when I tell you I've just watched someone get arrested. I was literally pulling out of the car park and someone was getting handcuffed by two policemen, and then there was another two policemen on another man who was getting spoken to, because Mum rang me and was like, do you want to pick Brooke up? But before that I went and picked up these roses for Sophia's cake. So now that's done and I'm just sitting here waiting for Brooke. I'm a bit early because I came straight from picking up the flowers. I'm back and I'm just going to put the cookies in the oven now, and I'll show you all the shopping that I got because I got quite a lot, as you can see here. So I've got 2 new tins, some crunchy, some caramel, some chocolate fingers, a bar of milk chocolate, some more double cream, they're my keys, 2 smooth Biscoff and 1 crunchy, some more vanilla extracts, these milk chocolate Biscoff circles, 4 packets of Biscoff biscuits and 3 tubs of cream cheese. I need to start on the cheesecake base. Also, all the recipes will be down below in the description box if you would like to try and make what I've made today. I've melted some butter. I need to add it to the biscuits for the base and give it a mix. The cookies are coming out in a minute and I have checked on them and they look so nice. This is what it looks like. It's very good, it's very thick, which is good. Look at these, I'm telling you now, they are amazing. But I would show you guys the cookie. That's what it looks like. Break into it, it's still very hot, it's literally like come out the oven like 5 minutes ago, if that. As you can see, it's literally breaking apart. Look at the inside of that. Let's try it, guys. That is unreal. You need to try this recipe. You have to try this recipe. Here I am just starting on the second part of the cheesecake. Ignore the sink in the background. Dad is trying to unblock it. You are saying that you're unblocking it. I've got a whole tub of Biscoff which is going into the cheesecake. Look at how loaded this is. I'm going to flatten it out and show you guys when it's done. Here is what the cheesecake looks like all flat. So I'm going to put it in the fridge now overnight so tomorrow I can use it for filming. Now that the cheesecake is done, I'm moving on to the cake, Sophia's cake. So I've just got it out of the tin. So I'm just going to get the others out. They look really spongy, which is perfect. How fluffy these cake looks. Very happy with these, but I need to make the buttercream now. Got some cake here. Gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Making the buttercream so that I can fill and crumb coat my cake. Well, not my cake, Sophia's cake. Because it all needs to be done today because I'm giving it to her in the morning. So I'm going to have to do it tonight, which is fine because I'll easily get it done tonight. Now I'm upstairs and I'm going to get ready. I need to do my makeup so I can film decorating Sophia's cake. I'm changed, my makeup is done and I'm ready to carry on filming. So I've done the crumb coat of the cake. That's what it looks like, and I've had some dinner and now I need to colour the buttercreams and then do the final coat. So I'm now decorating the cake. I've just done some pink swirls and I'm just going to do some white dots all over the cake. Guys, the cake is done. Let me show you here. Look at how lovely it looks. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Look at the roses which I got today. They make it so much nicer. And the 21 got that today as well. And I really like all the designs on there. We're all sitting watching the Arsenal game at the minute. Right guys, I'm in bed now and I'm very tired. It's like, I think it's like 10:30, 11. But I'm very tired tonight because I've had a long day of doing lots of things. So I'm actually going to go to sleep now. But that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!